nothing. I'm just a nigga that came from Haiti.
I don't even think he's seen that.
The camera.
Oh shit!
Gotcha, bitch.
Like these. I look light skin. No.
That shit look nice.
That's why I don't fuck with BMWs, bro. I can't.
You can't.
Like there was that. Like example, right fucking now. They're fast for no fucking reason, bro. Downpipe tune, you make 400 horsepower turn into 600.
400 slight too.
Crazy.
For a little loud weight.
Exactly.
Little loud weight. 400
yeah,
is crazy.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that bit light. That bit light. That lightweight make a difference. I got the folds on my shit. You gotta just know how to drive, you know?
Hey, pick up for this fat ass nigga.
Pardon me? He not letting the fat nigga eat in peace, cuz.
And that mac and cheese slap too.
Exactly.
Yo, you got the Mac? You got the macaroni?
He got the large. He got the large.
And they blessed. They
got the
gave me
large.
crunchy stuff on
Nah,
top.
You got the large.
You got bacon on top of it?
Open that bit up. Open that bit up. You got bacon.
Hold on. Fucking macaroni cheese. Nah. Nah, you a big bitch. I ain't gonna lie.
Hold on, turn around. Turn back. 1, 2, 3. I can count on your back.
Y'all big eating, but Chick-fil-A mac and cheese good as
I can count on your back. Put it in your mouth, man. What the hell, dude?
Did you see it, bro?
Made it to the car, you know what I'm saying?
Hellcat spot, I don't give a
Yeah, buddy.
I was not expecting to be top.
Hold on.
12 seconds later.
Fuck, girl. Get your ass on, boy. You get your goddamn ass. got that shit on camera, you gay ass bitch.
I'm fucking sick, girl.
She got angry. Oh, damn, look at that steering wheel, boy. God damn, that bit go hard. Oh, I love that. That shit's pimp as fuck, bro.